If you're a consultant or a speaker or a trainer or a business owner and you use videos for content or for sales, then here's an idea that you can take away and use. And I think you'll use it in every single video. Why? Because it increases the engagement that your videos have. Now, in fact, I've actually just demonstrated that straight away. Because what I started with was an idea called parallel logic, which is basically if ... then ... So if this is you, then this applies. For example, on a website I was using years ago, TGI Mondays, which was a motivational Monday message and still is, albeit on video these days, I had an expression on there that said, if this describes you, and it was about positive people, then TGI Mondays is the perfect place you've been looking for. If then. So if this is true, then this is true. And the reason this works when you're doing it on video is because what you're doing is labeling. And you're labeling the viewer of your video to say and answer this question that people have in their mind, which is, why me? Why is this video? Why is this piece of message? Why is this email? Why is this direct mail? Why is this Facebook post? Why is this article? Why is it for me? And until we answer that why me that's in somebody's mind, they don't really need to listen to us. So we don't need to tell them about us because that comes later. We don't need to tell them about what it is that we're going to talk about because that comes later. We don't need to talk about what they need to do to get whatever it is that we're talking about. That comes later too. The first thing that we need to do on the video, yes, there's the hook. And the hook can include this part about why they need to listen, why it is them. Yes, they can be the hook first, but then early on in the video, right there at the front, we need to be saying why this is for you. So one way of doing that is to say, if you're a coach or a consultant or a speaker or a trainer or a business owner that uses videos in your marketing and your sales and your content delivery, then one of the things you need to do at the front is to label the recipient of the message. That way, when they're listening to it, rather than thinking, is this for me? They're thinking, oh, this is for me. You can take this away and use it immediately, can't you? In every video, in every piece of content or piece of marketing that you put out there. I'm sure it'll make a difference. In fact, I know it does. So I continue to wish you success in all your adventures in life. Let me see if I can press some buttons. Does that make work? Yes, it does. I continue to wish you success in all your adventures in life. There's more of these videos about. I'm sure there's links about here. From me, Peter Thomson. Until the next time. Goodbye for now.